right here!
Oh.
There you go. I saw it flew.
Yes.
There it is.
Huh?
It was a baby.
How did you get it out the door? Oh, do that.
Let's go.
That was funny.
Daddy, you're like, ah!
Birds freak me out, man.